Feel so much better now that my hair is done.
Whoa, whoa. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like, okay.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Oh no, y'all. No. Don't kill me in the comments. This is my channel. If I want to start it like this, then I'm gonna start it like this. Anyways, please don't judge me. As y'all can see by the title, this is just recording vlog. Okay, I'm just recording. I don't know, as of right now, that's the title. I'm just recording. I'm about to take my wig and my sew-in down, and yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. So let me get the scissors because I had them and then I put them away. I'm gonna use these little scissors. I have never taken a sew-in down out of my hair over my locks, so I'm a little bit nervous. Not gonna cap, I'm a little bit nervous, but we're gonna get into it. Y'all see, I lifted my lace last night. Let me fix the camera. There we go. I lifted my lace last night because I got a hair appointment tomorrow, so I said, okay, time to take it out, y'all. I did my fair 5 weeks. I'm so proud of myself because I absolutely never keep my hair up for longer than 3 weeks. But I'm trying to change, save some money. And yeah. And I'm not going to cut these bundles like bogus because I do want to reuse them again because, baby, I paid a pretty penny for these ones. So, yeah. I really been procrastinating taking this hair down. What time is it? It's 6:22. So I'm trying to keep track of the time. But I'm over it. I'm tired of having to see if my lace is lifting and if the glue is showing, if you can see that it's a wig or a closure. I'm over it, y'all. So I never did a lock maintenance video with y'all, so I am going to take you guys along with me to the shop tomorrow. And yeah, we're going to get our hair done. So we just going to do what we can do. And I'm going to pray that I don't cut my locks off. That's my biggest fear, is cutting my locks off. I feel like I should just try to take the closure off first. I'm a little bit impatient because I'm over it. I'm really over it. And people be like, why you don't just... Nope. Don't ask me why I don't just do nothing. I'm over it. But yeah, y'all. So I kept this in for quite some time. Very proud of myself. Now it's time for it to come out. Let me figure it out for real. I can't rush this because, like I said, I got locks under here. And I know I got a net under here. And I know that she put like this brown thread in there so we can see it. I got the sharpest scissors I own so that I wouldn't have to like do the actual cutting method. I can just slide it through. So yeah. Y'all, with my channel, y'all gonna get some crazy content, okay? So when I say crazy content, this is what I mean.
Some of y'all just go pop shit. Some of y'all just go talk. But none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you. Yeah, only want you love if it's not.
I'm gonna be right back, y'all. I gotta find my rhythm and I'm gonna be back. Never again will I get a sew-in over my locks. Never again.
Check.
I am over it. I am done. I'm just a girl. Oh my gosh. Whoo, baby, we getting somewhere. I'll be back. Definitely happier. How long I've been complaining about this here? Oh, last night for sure. I wish I took it down at 2 in the morning. Read the logs. Oh no! I cut it. I wonder if the camera looking like this or the light making it look like this. Right now I'm not worried about that for real. This is why I say never the fuck again. So what time is it? It is 7:48. I started at 6:22. That's how long it took me to take it down. Definitely longer than expected. I ain't taking no breaks either. Not to say that I don't feel period for so long, but I got over that shit really fast. By the second week, I was ready to take it out for real. Now I'm patient and trust the process and enjoy it. We will not be returning for a while. I also told myself this year for my birthday I was gonna like do a lock style instead of doing wigs, because I always do wigs on my birthday. I need to embrace the beauty of the locks. One more braid. Oh, 2 more. Here's another rubber band. Definitely ready to eat some food. Dreadhead shot it. Dreadhead shot it. Oh, I'm so happy. So happy. I just gotta take the threads out. I like when my hair look like that crinkly look. Now I need to check out these locks that I thought I could. Those is my back locks, they naturally short. Alright y'all, so y'all have seen me take down that sew-in. This is the locks. I'll see y'all again tomorrow. What's up y'all? So I'm about to go get my hair done. Right now my appointment is at 10 o'clock. It is 9:56 and I am here, so we're just gonna worry about getting this hair done. And yeah, I don't see her car, so that kind of scares me, but then again she be getting dropped off, so we about to see what's going on. This is the hair before. I'm about to get a wash. Okay y'all, so I got an update. It's not the update that y'all gonna like, but it'll do. So Tal is the owner of House of Locks. She was doing my hair before Quay did my hair. And she couldn't get a hold of Quayla, so she gonna do my hair. So yeah, I don't like to go back and forth between like different locticians, but that's the CEO and founder and owner, so who better to do my hair than her? But she said she's gonna have another loctician tag team. So we gonna see, y'all. We gonna see. I'm still gonna get my hair done, so it is what it is. Yo, one thing about the House of Locks, they gonna get me in regardless. Okay. Shinda is washing my hair. I love it here. I'll give it y'all after I'm done with the wash process. But this is 1 month under a wig, y'all. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Freshly
washed. Don't give a damn about me trying to get my body right.
They don't. They don't at all. Almost there, you know? Trust the process. Remember, I always say trust the process. I'll see y'all when I'm almost done. We love a good tag team. Hey.
The one and only.
The one and only, do you know? Y'all know. They seen you on a couple of vlogs before, so.
Oh yeah. We're gonna get it right at the
It's a real, the House of Locks, do you hear me? I don't go nowhere else. Y'all know this though. Y'all already know this. I'm ready. Y'all, this is my favorite part. Y'all know I love the edges. I actually did not change my mind at the shop. I have my hairstyle already picked out. Y'all see the length? Y'all see? Come on now. This is what I mean when I say trust the process, because if y'all been here from the very beginning of my channel, y'all know I started off with the baby locks. And I wanted to give up so many times. But the House of Locks got me right every time. Y'all, I'm back and better. I love my hair. The show must go on. That's why I shop with the House of Locks. Period. Period, period, ah, period, oh, period, A. I feel so much better now that my hair is done. Because, yeah. I'm going to the movies. I'm going to go see Sinner. And I'm going to be a passenger princess today. So I love that for me.
I'm never good enough.
Oh, we got adult night with it. Y'all, I dare Sadie's to take his quarters and start the game. No, we want to play against each other. We want to play against each other. The month of May, I told myself I'm spending less money and I'm going to meal prep. So I went, found me a meal prep person. Let's taste this. That's busting. The mashed potatoes is busting. Hold on. I will be back to the mashed potatoes. Green beans. Y'all, I'm gonna be eating good all day, all week. So my plan was like to take some ribs and a cold pasta and some vegetables, or this, and that. You know, I'm not gonna take everything, but baked beans, basin, very much basin, I've been waiting on this pasta. This shit been on my mind for days. Basim! Very much Basim! Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I already ate the ribs, so I already know that good. That's this week 1 of meal prep. Hey guys, that's all for today's video. Until next time, be blessed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.